Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. Guys, you know our practice here. I will be putting everything on the description box, also on the screen. So prices, SKUs, launch dates, and features, everything would be included as long as they're available. If you want anything here, kindly take a screenshot. And of course, check with your CAs for pre-orders and availability. I'm inviting everyone to please make sure to watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys! I'm very happy to share upcoming bags from Louis Vuitton. We will focus on the January 2024 releases. Prices, product codes, features will be included. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CA. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, let us start first with the mini Bumbag. Because of its popularity, I wanted to discuss and share it to you as soon as I can. The launch date of this one is March 1st, 2024. Price is $2,160 USD. We have SKU here. This will be part of the permanent collection. So the very first one is in the color noir in upfront leather with gold hardware. Then this one, the color is cream with same price of $2,160 USD. We are noticing also that it comes with a detachable leather chain strap with gold hardware. Next, we have it in a bicolor. So we are going to see that the armband leather is like a grayish beige color, and it has a contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram. It would also come with detachable straps. So two straps, we have gold chain and we have the leather strap. So for the price of this one in SKU, kindly stand by. Once available, I will be sharing it on our community wall. Then we have the Louis Vuitton East-West bag. Price is €3,600, launching January 1st, 2024. We have SKU here. The color is quartz and the material is the very beautiful epi leather. We are also seeing it comes with the gold hardware and it comes with mirror inside. Then we have also the very first time that I'm seeing this, Capucines in the East-West configuration, launching January 1st, 2024. Price of this one is €6,400. So we are also noticing on the East-West configuration Capucines that the hardware is same color hardware as the leather, like with this white on white Capucines East-West bag with the same price of €6,400 with launch date of January 1st, 2024. What a beautiful Capucines East-West bag. So I'm not really sure of the size though, whether this is a BB or a mini. Then guys, OMG, this is so cute. So we have the Capucines mini in the mini-me collection. Price is $7,000 USD, launching January 1st, 2024. The first one is color banana, and it definitely features the very cute nano Capucines bag charm, and this bag charm is to be attached at the leather strap that it comes with. Next, we have the Capucines BB. Price is $7,650 USD with same launch date. The color is candy blue. So with the Capucines BB and the mini, cuteness wise, I have seen the mini at our local Louis Vuitton store and definitely I'm choosing that one. However, for everyday use, definitely the BB is better because you could put a lot more. Price of this one in the gui mauve color is $7,650 USD. It would still come with the nano Capucine bag charm that would be attached at the leather strap. Guys, kindly comment down below what do you think of the mini-me collection. Next, we have the nano bandeau.
Price is 180 euro. We have different colors here from the Aurora collection. So we have the fuchsia, we have the jaune, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Then we have the sunset. Colors, or rather the launch date of the Aurora collection would be January 2004. Then we have the Alma BB in the Malitage Stud collection. Price is 3,800 euro. We have SKU here. This is launching January 1st, 2024. So the size is baby, made with the leather quilted or Malitage detail. Guys, the Malitage detail is mimicking the inside of a Louis Vuitton trunk. Then it would also come in the Nano Alma. Price is 3,000 euro. It is the nano size with the Malitage detail, launching January 1st, 2024. Next, we have the popcorn basket. So for the prices, in the blue one is 1,260 euro, the jaune is 840 euro, and the rouge is 690 euro. Guys, also kindly take note of the sizes down below at the features. So the blue is 32 cm by 24, the jaune is 22 by 14. And then the next bag, we have the Keepall 25, launching January 18, 2024. Price of this one is 2,300 euro. This is the monogram Tyrolean collection. Color is forest green, made of the Tyrolean leather with detachable bag tag and detachable leather strap as well. It would also come in the full moon colorway. So if you are a fan of like a whitish cream color, then definitely this is such a gorgeous bag. We're also going to notice that the hardware is the same color as the Tyrolean leather as well. How gorgeous is this one? What do you think? Then of course, we do have the pocket organizer that would be launching same date of January 18 next year. Price is 670 euro. It would come in 3 colors so far. So we have the purple with SKU, we have forest green, full moon, and everything would be made of the very beautiful monogram Tyrolean. Guys, I would also like to share the Louis Vuitton x Frank Gehry capsule collection. So this was released at the Miami Art Basel. I would also like to share that Frank Gehry had previously designed a Louis Vuitton twist vanity plus his perfume Louis Vuitton line. So here are the bags that he has designed for Louis Vuitton, so mostly in capucines. Honestly guys, if I would be collecting, could be perhaps considered an arty capucines, then maybe I would be getting one of these bags because they are so beautiful. And as we know, Frank Gehry is very well known for his designs in architecture. So this is the bag that he has designed previously in monogram canvas. I'm just so glad that they're doing it in the Ampont leather. How gorgeous is this one? And they're also doing it in the metallic mirror effect color. So this one, we have the 2 different capucines. I love the gray one as well. What do you think? So among the Frank Gehry design, which one is your favorite?
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, guys, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!